Hi everyone. So it's officially fall. Happy first day of fall for the year 2021. So why not kick off fall with showing you all what I've done in my living room. I've took out the pink and I've put in my teal slash cerulean, which is one of my favorite colors. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I'll come back later to tell you where the things came from. Bye. Okay, everyone. So that light from the door is kind of like throwing off the lighting. But I want to just tell you briefly what I have going on in my full fall mode living room. This is my full fall. The pink was pre-fall, so now I'm in full fall mode. I'm going to be going with darker colors, probably like all the colors you see in here, the teal, the black, the golds. Gonna try to move that throughout my home. I do have enough pillows to do that. If you've seen my previous video with the luxurious Amazon finds, as far as the pillow covers, if you've seen that, you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't, you missed a treat. So let me go ahead and tell you what I have going on. I'm gonna start over here with the drapes. So these drapes actually came from Amazon. They're cerulean, like teal, that dark teal looking color. I'm trying to, let's see. I can lighten it up a little bit, but you probably can see that they're that teal color. So I have the teal and I have the black. I have the black as well from Amazon. I'll place a link to the black. I'll place a link to everything that I have. If you shop these links, be sure you shop these links if you order these items, you guys. The actual beautiful curtain tiebacks came from Carolyn over at Decor Galore. I've shared a lot of her tiebacks with you guys on my channel. So I'll leave the link below to her website. I met her over on Instagram and we became really good friends. I've made friends with a lot of ladies over on Instagram. So go by and check out her website. They come in silver and they come in gold. Now this wall art, guys, believe it or not, this wall art came from Ross. And I think it was either 49 or 59 bucks. Now, a wall art of this statue or nature at Z Gallery will run you around 300 or 400. I'm opening my blind so you can see. Yeah, it'll run you a pretty penny if you get this from Z Gallery or High Fashion Home. But I paid, I think it was 49 or 59, and I bought it a few months ago. And I had it over here, over there. And that I'll get over there because that's a DIY. So I'm going to show y'all that in a few. Excited. So yeah, so this particular ginger jar came from Home Goods. I ordered these from a lady over on Instagram. I'll place the link below, but I've ordered them some time ago. I'll place the link below, but these are beads. I think they were like $30 or so for this particular bead set. It's one bead set. I just have it wrapped around. It's super cute. You can dress up your ginger jars with these things. So, moving on down to my beautiful ginger jars. The gold ginger jar I've had for like 3 years or more came from Home Goods. The mosaic ginger jar came from Z Gallery. And this particular ginger jar here came from Inspire Me Home Decor. But you can find this particular one at Home Goods. If you do a lot of Home Goods hopping every week, you would be a lucky person. My coffee table came from Rooms to Go. The teal pumpkins came from Home Goods a few years ago. The little pretty gold vase here actually came from Home Goods. And this super cute teal pampas grass came from Michael's. Guys, when I saw this, I almost broke my neck. I bought the whole bunch. It's actually in the Halloween section over at Home Goods. They had purple, black, gray, and of course, my signature color, which is teal, right? My lamps came from Home Good. I love them because they're so unique. They have these super cute girly ridges on there. These are not pearls, because I'm not a pearl girl. These are like little gold circles. Super cute. And this lamp, believe it or not, has a cell phone charger, USB drive at the back. So you can charge your cell phone. All my coffee table books that I have came from a lady that I follow over on Instagram, Stage by Ness. She's really awesome. I'll place a link below to her website as well. This pillow here came from Moina Decor over on Instagram. I'll place a link below to her website. And my other pillow, this is a Home Goods pillow. And these are Z Gallery pillows. I love that pillow. It's really, really pretty. And my wall art actually came from Home Goods. I had to have these. They're so pretty. They're going to go with my fall, and it's going to take me right on into Christmas. So I'm not going to be changing these for Christmas because I'm going to be going with the golds and silvers, black and teal. So this is going to be perfect. Unless I find something more prettier and I can move this to another room, maybe my home office. That picture, those wall arts are going to stay there. The same thing I have on this end table. It's on the other end table. Moving back, my wall mirror came from Z Gallery a few years ago. I haven't seen the mirror in stock in a while. If it's in stock back again, I will add it below. All these pics here came from Michael's. Again, when I saw that teal, I had to grab it. This beautiful vase here came from Z Gallery. My diffuser came from Burlington. My little fox came from At Home. My accent table came from Z Gallery. My carpet in here, the area rug, came from Ross. It was a super, super good steal, and I love it. My accent chair here came from Style Up Corp. You can get it from Style Up Corp and Wayfair. I placed the links to both below. The pillow. So this pillow here came from High Fashion Home, but it's an on-cloud non-pillow. My throw came from Z Gallery. And I love this chair because of the gold legs. And when I purchased this chair, it like threw me on a whole nother level as far as to my decor scheme. It made me want to throw more gold in this space, which is also why I ordered my brand new coffee table. You've seen this before if you see my 20 fall decor coffee table ideas. I can't believe I pulled off 20, but guys, they were all beautiful. I'll try to place a link below. I cannot believe I pulled off 20 fall coffee table ideas, but they're all beautiful. So my coffee table is super cute. I love this coffee table. If I want, I can swap this coffee table between this room and my family room, which you guys know that'll be probably what I'm doing. But for fall and for Christmas, it's probably going to stay in here. Coffee table from Z Gallery. Actually, everything on the table is from Z Gallery except for the pampas grass and the rocks. Pampas grass came from Michael's. I think I said Michael. Yeah, Michael's. And the rocks came from, yeah, Michael's. Everything came from Michael's. Pampas grass and the rocks came from Michael's. Boxes, candle, and vases from Z Gallery. Okay, so, and my accent table here came from At Home. So let's go up. I love the chandelier. It came from ET2 Lighting. They are affiliated with Maxim Lighting. I love it. I'll place a link below to that as well. Move you all over on this side. My lanterns over here, the Monroe lanterns, came from Z Gallery. My entryway table came from Rooms to Go. The little elements in the middle came from Ross. My candles on the side came from lights.com. The vase in the middle came from Home Goods. The candle holders on the side came from Ross. And the teal pumpkins came from Home Goods. My silver picks that you see actually came from Z Gallery. This wall art on the wall came from Ross. Now, I said it was a DIY because over on this side, it was like a powder blue. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get this picture and take it home and use some acrylic paint over it and change it to white. And I love it. It was like $44. And I love it because it has the gold framing. And whenever you see a gold frame around a canvas, it's better than just the canvas alone. Any frame around the canvas is better than just the canvas alone. So yeah, so I'm loving my entryway. So over here, these gold picks here came from Pier 1 before they closed. These super cute fall bushels here came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. I didn't see them at Hobby Lobby this year. And this vase came from Z Gallery, and the stand it's sitting on came from Home Goods. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you all are having a great start to your fall, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.